Here I have Samsung Galaxy J5 2017 and let me show you how to add the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's press power key right here. Let's unlock the screen. Let's open the list of all settings, choose the settings icon, choose lock screen and security, and select the fingerprint scanner. Let's read the information, tap continue. Before you add your fingerprint, you have to choose the screen lock method, some alternative screen lock method, so you can choose pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me choose pattern. Let's draw your unlock pattern. Let's tap continue and let's do it again just for confirmation. Now let's get ready to add your fingerprint. Let's find your sensor right here and let's tap a couple of times on your sensor to save your finger. As you can see, this is the progress bar. You have to add some different parts of your finger. It's almost done. Let's tap continue. And fingerprint added. Let's choose done. Here we've got the notification settings. Let me leave it as simple as that. And that's it. You can change some fingerprint scanner settings. If you would like to unlock your device, you can use your pattern, or you can do the same thing with your fingerprint. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.